Hi guys, it's Jana from Artville and this is the tutorial for I-cord cast on. Grab your working yarn and your circular needles and cast on 3 stitches. Any cast on method will work. I will use a slip knot as my first stitch. Then I will make a long tail cast on 2 more stitches. Do not tighten your stitches. We will use those stitches to pick up later. Don't turn your work. With the left hand needle, slip those 3 stitches back on your left needle. Bring your working yarn at the back and knit the 3 stitches. Sorry. 1, 2, and 3. Don't turn your work. Slide back your 3 stitches on the left hand needle. We will repeat this 5 times in total. Again, knit them. My second turn.
My third, slip back. Fourth, slip back purlwise and knit. And the very last, the very last slipping back, 1, 2, 3. Again, we knit them. Don't turn your work.
You should have this I-cord tail. If you can see, we have clearly visible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows knit. Starting from the second row and grabbing the 2 strands together, we will pick up and knit 3 more stitches. The first one, there is the second row, second stitch, my third row, it's my third stitch. Now I have 6 stitches on my right hand needle. Turn your work as to work your wrong side. You will see hanging the rest of your I-cord, starting from your slip knot and using the 2 stitches here, pick up and knit 3 more stitches. Starting from the farthest one, one, just 1 strand is enough, 2, and I will go with this strand, 3. You have 3 knit stitches. Continue knitting 3 more. Bring your yarn in front and slip the last 3 stitches without knitting them. Turn your work and you are ready to start working.